Okay, there is something going on. Oh, we have Hayabusa. 2090, 2090, 6R, another Hayabusa. चलते Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Throttler. Hope you all are doing good. It's Saturday and we are going on a short ride. I have my friend Amin with me who is on Triumph Speed 400. We're going to meet another friend, someone new, Shiva, who I got to know via Instagram. He reached out to me. He was in Gurgaon and I was in Greater Noida. So it was hard to find a place to meet, and we finally decided to have a short ride near a wildlife sanctuary. I don't know exactly, I've never been there, but yeah, the goal was to find a midpoint for all of us. And Bean lived nearby, and the place itself is around 36 kilometers from my home where they're going to meet. This is the first time I'm coming to Delhi without a DB killer, or even to Delhi at all with a red rooster. I don't usually come to Delhi. I live in Greater Noida and all my office and friends are in Greater Noida or Noida itself. But yeah, it's risky to come to Delhi without a DB killer. I was thinking of adding a DB killer, but then I thought, nah. Again, I know it's not uh, it's not safe for me to come to Delhi without a DB killer. But let's see. I mean, I have a plan, and the plan is that if I get caught, I have my DB killer with me. I will just show them the DB killer and tell them that this is the first time I've added the exhaust. And even though I know it's not legal, but with a DB killer, the sound is less than 80 decibels. So I know. Again, that is the reason I'm not driving high. Again, I do know where the cops usually are, because they're usually at intersections and lane change turns. But yeah, let's see how it goes. This is the Speed 400 that I rode a few weeks ago, and for which I uploaded a YouTube video, which is linked above on the I section. Yeah, it's a great bike here. After a very long time, I rode such a fast bike. Since I bought my Highness 5 years ago, I haven't really thought about trying out new bikes, but yeah, now I'm getting that itch to upgrade. So yeah, let me know which bike shall I be thinking of upgrading next. My plan is, it's a very long plan, I would say. My plan is to buy Honda CB 650R. Yeah, I know. Most of you will be thinking that it's not wise to upgrade from a 350cc retro bike to 4-cylinder 650cc, but I think I can handle that. Again, I know most of us would think that way, but I have been riding bikes from last 13 years, 14 years. I don't ride fast. I don't like fully faired bikes. Again, it might be controversial, but I don't like it personally. I like to have that feeling of buying something premium, enjoying that whole experience of riding a 4-cylinder bike, that the sound. That is the primary reason why I'm going for a 4-cylinder. This bike creates a lot of noise. Again, I'm saying noise because it's not pleasant to hear. I think yeah, he has the stock exhaust on, and this is the same characteristics which I have seen in Duke 390 or in any Duke whatsoever. These bikes like to rev. I mean, they like to be ridden fast. If you will ride them in second gear, they will ask for you to move to third. If you move them to third and ride it slow, they will ask you to move to second and then ride fast. It happens with these bikes. You have a red light, so there are no cops because I do not have the DB killer on. Yeah, luckily there are not. It's morning, what, it's 7:39. So yeah. Let's ask Almin why he doesn't have a riding gear. Gloves वगैरह क्यों नहीं पहने?
मेरा मिल नहीं रहा था, एक हाथ का मिला था, मैं फिर क्या ही।
अरे लेट है हम थोड़ा सा, वैसे लेट है हम थोड़ा सा, वो शायद जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा शिवा। यार मैं जानबूझ के नहीं चला रहा, डीबी किलर नहीं है। लाया हूँ बैग में। हाँ देखते हैं। Okay. This is good यार, without even a green light we should start honking. Change of plan, we could not go to that wildlife sanctuary. रोड्स बंद है, शिवा का फ़ोन आया एंड अलमीन और मैं वी आर गोइंग टू तुगलाबाद फोर्ट। आई डोंट नो, इट्स जस्ट अ मीटिंग पॉइंट कि एटलीस्ट वहाँ जाके हम सारे एक बार एटलीस्ट मिल तो लें, बिकॉज वी हैव बीन राइडिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 hour 20 minutes एंड अभी तक तो हम एक दूसरे से मिले ही नहीं हैं। We have reached the only challenges that we would have to find a place to stop. I think yeah, we have some shade here. पहुंच तो गए हैं, पहुंच तो गए हैं। हाँ गेट पे रुकते हैं, चलो। हेलो मंकी, रेड लाइट, या आई थिंक वी कैन stop here somewhere. Hi bro. Guys, we have Shiva here. बहुत भाई यार,
हम चल सकते हैं।
क्या करना है ये बताओ।
अरे यार वो वहाँ तो पूरा कॉलोनी के अंदर से जाके, और कम से कम 2-3 किलोमीटर अंदर ही है कॉलोनी के रास्ते।
हाँ
तो मतलब, और वहाँ से फिर लोकल्स ने बंद कर रखा है वहाँ पे।
अच्छा,
तो कोई और रास्ता हो तो वहाँ से जाते हैं।
बट कहाँ, वहीं जाना है या कहीं और जाना है? पहली बात तो, या तो पहले कहीं रुक के चाय वगैरह पी लेते हैं हम,
हाँ, ये
है ना? ठीक है चलो।
ठीक है। ये जो बाउल सेट होता है, ये कंपनी देने लगी है क्या?
कौन सा?
जैसे ये ब्लू कलर का है, तो ये कंपनी से तो डायरेक्ट आता नहीं है।
नहीं, ये ब्लू कंपनी का ही है, कंपनी का ही है ब्लू।
मतलब जब डिफॉल्ट आती है तो सीट आती है।
हाँ, अलग से कैफे रेसर किट ले सकते हो। हाँ
तो वो बाइक के साथ मैचिंग ही कलर के हिसाब से देते।
हाँ, हर बाइक में कलर वो अलग से दे रहे हैं।
आने लगा है फाउल पर, इट्स नॉट
यार हर किसी में आ गया, अब गोरेला में भी तो आ गया है।
नहीं, इट्स आउटसोर्स, कोई कंपनी प्राइवेट बना रही है, आता है।
तो क्या करना है, आगे चलना है या इस तरफ जाना है? बिकॉज ये तो मेन रोड है, यहाँ पे तो मुझे उम्मीद नहीं है कोई चाय वाला मिलेगा। आई नीड टू गेट दीज होंडा स्टिकर्स। पूछना पड़ेगा शिवा से इसने कहाँ से लिया है। कोई चाय वाला ढूंढते हैं अभी तो। अब आई डोंट नो कि इस तरफ जाएं या इधर मिलेगा, बिकॉज ये तो मेन रोड है।
वहाँ तो बहुत गंदा रोड है, कच्चे कच्चे।
तो फिर इधर ही चलते हैं, कोई ना कोई मिल ही जाएगा।
थोड़ा तो आसपास कुछ होगा।
He also has a red rooster and without a DB killer. पूछना पड़ेगा, based on the sound it looks like DB killer नहीं है। Bike looks good यार। Again, when you see someone else riding the same bike, then you realize that your bike looks great. आई डोंट, हाँ यहाँ पे चाय वाला शायद मिल जाए कोई ना कोई। वापस ही चलता है। ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड अ प्लेस जहाँ पे वी कैन हैव सम चाय। तो हमने चाय पी लिया एंड द न्यू प्लान इज दैट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अ नियर बाय हनुमान मंदिर। द प्लान वाज टू गो टू राइडर्स बान near Gurgaon, but it's too far and it's already 9:10, so we are thinking that probably next week we will go to Riders Barn. For now we will go to some place at least, and there's a nearby Hanuman Mandir, there's a lake near to that as well, so we're going there. We will spend around a good 1 hour there and then we will head back. When I hear his red rooster, I think it's louder than mine. Again, I could be just feeling it because I've always been hearing my red rooster while I am riding. I've never heard it as a third person from someone else's bike. So yeah. He has also changed his handlebar as well. I will show you later. He has, I think, Pulsar. Yeah, I think he mentioned Pulsar's handlebar. I have also changed my handlebar. It's a Finest. Mine model is around 2021, so it did not support bar and mirrors. So I had to change the handlebar to the latest model of Finest, which supports bar and mirror. I was planning to put another mic on the back of the bike, which I usually do, but not today. I feel I'm not very comfortable with these roads. I usually put mic on the back. See, I think it's louder than mine. Guys, I can't tell you how great it feels to listen to the backfire of both the bikes. I never imagined that the backfire would sound this much lovely as a third person hearing it, honestly. Guys, we just stopped at a red light and Shiva was asking me ki he feels that his RRP doesn't sound that loud as comparison to mine, and a minute before I was thinking the same thing. I think it's, again, I think when you are riding it you might not feel that it's that loud, but yeah, he felt the same thing with his bike, that my RRP is louder than his. And he said that most of the people does that. He has some more friends with RRP. We are planning to see if we can get more CB 350s rider in a couple of weeks. We will plan out some more rides. So if you are from Delhi NCR, guys, please reach out to us on Instagram or maybe just drop a comment on this video. वेरी गुड यार, मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. I think there are few riders. नहीं, मुझको लग रहा है वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत राइडर्स वगैरह हैं आगे और. हाँ, हाईवे काफ़ी अच्छा है यार, सीरियसली. चले आगे से राउंड मार के आते हैं और, है ना. हैं, चलते हैं फिर एक बार, हाय हेलो करके आता है। We have a few riders here as well. We have R15. Really good road. And the red rooster sounds great. Oh, what was that? That was a wobble. What, at 80? Surprising. Guys, I can't tell you the happiness, the level of happiness that I am right now, hearing all the backfire, riding with friends. It's great, yaar. It's getting goosebumps with the kind of happiness that I am at right now. That sounds great, great, great. That's great. I will request everyone with CB350 RS or Highness to get RRP. Red Rooster exhaust packages. Guys, please get it. Hope you can hear all the backfires. It feels like a music when you hear both the exhaust at the same time. Enjoying the ride is never about riding fast. It's about cherishing that moment. We are riding at what? 90? Let's say 90, 190, 100. And I'm enjoying every bit of it. फिर रोक लेते हैं। क्या करना है और आगे चलना है या चल मुड़ना है? आगे इस तरफ क्या है और कितना दूर है? बाइकर्स वन we are changing our bikes.
आपने फ्यूलेक्स लगा रखा है तो मुझे लगता है हल्का अंडर पावर लगेगी।
नहीं, मेरा फ्यूलेक्स 7th मोड पे है। आई कीप इट इन 7th मोड, तो इतना ज़्यादा मे भी ना लगे। लेट्स डू वन थिंग ना, लेट्स चेंज इट टू 10th। We're changing our bikes. I've set the Fuelix mode to 10. मैंने 10 पे सेट करा है। Now feel the change. नहीं नहीं। Alright guys, I will ride Shiva's CB350. Oh, setting posture is quite aggressive. little, yeah. Top feels a little less. Yeah, it is definitely less. I can definitely feel more vibrations, and also the potholes, the whole suspension. I think it has impacted because of the other handlebar that Shiva has added. Because I've ridden my bike on same type of roads, and I do not used to feel this much road noise. Also the noise from the suspension is also there, not the kind of noise where we can say that the suspension is not working or it has been broken. No, not at all. But the whole headlight setup, it vibrates a lot on this road because of the handlebar. So again, people who are thinking about changing the handlebar on their CB350, this is just a FYI for you. Again, it won't impact your bike, it won't impact anything at all. Might impact the suspension a little bit, but not a lot, I think. But it will impact your whole sitting posture, and you won't be that much comfortable with changing the exhaust. It's hardly been 15-20 minutes since I changed my bike with Shiva's, and I will be very honest, I'm not feeling comfortable. It may be because I'm not habitual of riding in this posture. Oh, this is good.
इसी टाइप का बाइक बाइक इवेंट हो रहा है ना,
पता नहीं यार ब्रो,
देख के तो यही लगा।
चले देख के आए क्या? There's an event going on. पार्किंग का मुझे पता नहीं है ना, पार्किंग का क्या सीन है, अंदर बाइक जा रही है नहीं जा रही हैं, देखते हैं। Okay, there is something going on. Oh, we have Hayabusa. Another Hayabusa. We're going back, guys. It was really great. See all these riders. Let's wait for everyone. Chalo bhai. It was great to meet you. निकलने दे।